So hello guys, this is Srikan from Srinivasa Academy, a faculty of Srinivasa Academy. So now what we are going to do, what we are going to see in this video, we are going to dissect the IDT and DDT, Direct Taxation and Indirect Taxation question paper of December 2024 attempt of CMA Intermediate. So first we have taken the question paper and I have taken a particular question which is 8A, which talks about computation of ITC available, computation of what ITC available for a particular company. So which section number said this talks about, and this talks about section number 16 section number. So we'll see this question first. We'll see how this question is in the question எப்படி நம்ம வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ண போறோம், என்ன ஆன்சர் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு வந்து we'll be checking this out. Okay, so first we can see in 8A starting day they have given you Shyam Limited is a registered manufacturer of cars. Shyam Limited is what? A registered manufacturer of cars, which basically means he's a registered person under GST Act. He's a registered person under GST Act. First number தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது. Next என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா Shyam Limited provides you the following information of GST paid எல்லாமே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Yes, okay, fine. And we'll come to the particulars later. And next, determined amount of input tax credit available with Shyam Limited for the month of May 2024. So first, always what I say is, even whenever we are starting with any particular sum or any particular any chapter, any subject, you will always start a sum with a heading. We will always start a sum with what? A heading which we will start பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். So அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கேயும் வந்துட்டு we are going to start the sum with a heading. So உங்களோட heading என்னவா இருக்கும் சார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா computation of input tax credit available. Computation of input tax credit available with the Shyam Limited அப்படின்னு தான் இருக்கும். This will be our heading. So then they have given all these particulars which will start as well. So first we'll start with particulars and again rupees. Fine. So first point, routine maintenance charges of cars manufactured by Shyam Limited. Routine maintenance charges of cars manufactured by Shyam Limited. That is our first point. So routine maintenance charges of cars manufactured by Shyam Limited. Is this ITC? Is there any ITC available for the subdivision? Yes, ITC is available. ITC is available for this particular point. Sir, ITC is not available. 17 subsection 5 talks about blocked credit. 17 subsection 5 talks about blocked credit. And the blocked credit, our first point for ITC is not available for manufacture of cars available கிடையாது. அதாவது basically வந்துட்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா any motor vehicle less than seating capacity of 13 will not be ITC will not be available அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்திருப்போம். But there are certain exceptions. What are the exceptions? என்ன கவர் ஆகுதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்துட்டு this, if there is any manufacturer, if there is going to be any further supply of cars, there is going to be any further supply of such cars, ITC will be made available. So this routine maintenance charges will also be allowed. Any insurance charges, any routine maintenance charges is available if it is made on such available for such exceptions. And the exceptions this will also be allowed. So this routine maintenance charges is also allowed. Routine maintenance charges. I have written it in a very short form. But usually, question paper answer short full answer will be required as well. Routine maintenance charges. How much rupees have been 40,500 rupees. 40,500 rupees. This is our first subpoint. Next, they have given you capital goods out of 5 items. Invoice for 1 item was missing and GST was paid. GST paid on them paid on the item was rupees 2,500. As per section 16, subsection A, supporting documents are required for availing ITC. But here, out of 5 items, invoice for 1 item was missing, which means this 2,500 is ineligible ITC. So 45,000 minus 2,500, what is the amount? 42,500. That is the ITC available. That is the ITC available for this capital goods. Okay, so fine. We'll come to the next point. Input consisting of 4 equal lots, out of which 3 lots were received during the month of May 2024. This is our third point. So as per 16 subsection 2 subsection B, if you are using any inputs in lots bulk and lot of ITC can be claimed only upon receiving the last lot. We can claim ITC. So inga நம்ம இதுக்கு ITC available அப்படினு கேட்டா ITC is not available. Out of which, why? Because out of 4 lots, only 3 lots have been received. Only what? 3 lots have been received. Only after receiving the last lot, we can claim ITC. So as per section 16, subsection B, it is not allowed. It is not allowed. Lots. I'm just dissecting this question paper. So, but when we are writing the whole answer, we have to be writing notes as well. So fine. We are coming to the fourth point. Travel benefits extended to employees on vacation and the statutory obligation. And the statutory obligation, they have given some travel benefits. As it is under statutory obligation, ITC can be claimed. ITC can be what? Claimed. ITC can be made available. But if it is not under statutory obligation, do not. ITC is not available. ITC is blocked as per section 17, subsection 5. So ITC is available on what? Travel benefits. ITC is available on travel benefits. But if it is not as per statutory obligation, is it allowed? And it is not allowed. It is blocked as per section 17, subsection 5. Okay, fine. We are going to the next point. Fifth point. Purchase the machinery for manufacturing process worth ₹2 lakh and claim depreciation under the Income Tax Act 1961 on ₹2,36,000. Okay, fine. They have purchased 2 lakh worth of machine and they have paid GST of ₹36,000. So their total value is 2,36,000. So as per section 16, depreciation component Section number 16, subsection 3, subsection 3. Section number 16, subsection 3, they have said you can either claim depreciation on the total. You can either claim what? Depreciation on the total. Or you can also claim GST on ITC. ITC you can claim on the GST paid ITC. You can either claim this depreciation or you can claim GST or you can claim ITC. Either one of them you can take. You cannot take both of them. If you've taken depreciation, leave out ITC. If you've taken ITC, leave out depreciation. As such, and another work up there. So here they have said they have purchased this manufacturing machine and they have claimed depreciation. If they have claimed depreciation, ITC will not be available. So section number 16, subsection 3, depreciation component. Depreciation component. But in the particular then we'll be writing these in the notes. But I'm just setting the answer. Next, repair services for office building, cost of repairs is charged to P&L. So this repair service for office building, cost of repairs is charged to the P&L. So this is a very, very, very tricky point. This is what this is a very tricky point. Very, very tricky point. What is the tricky point? This point is covered under section 17, subsection 5, block build. Works contract services which is not capitalized will not be taken, will be available for ITC, as per section 17, subsection 5. Work contract services which are capitalized will not be eligible for ITC. Whereas, for example, cost of this work contract service erection, fitment, improvement, repair, building, anything as such, these are called as work contract services. This work contract services, if it is charged to the balance sheet, ITC cannot be claimed. Whereas these work contract services, such as work contract service, that is repair services. Cost of repairs is charged to what? It is charged to P&L, which means it is not capitalized. If it is not capitalized, it is eligible for ITC. It is what? Eligible for ITC. So, in 48,000 rupees works contract service. Works a contract service அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு will be writing. It is eligible for ITC. So this total amount will be here ITC available. Will be here what? ITC available, which we will also compute. 40,500 plus 42,500. 40,500 plus 83,000. 83,000 plus 7,500. 90,500. 90,500 plus 48,000 is 1,38,500. This will be your ultimate answer. This will be your what ultimate answer? I'll just check again. 42,500 plus 7,500 plus 48,000. Yes, 1,38,500. This is your ultimate answer of a ITC available with Shyam Limited. So this is how your 7-mark question goes. Where in the 8A it is very important to understand section number 16 as well as section number 17 as well, which covers the ITC tax rate cover, which in the two section you will be able to answer this question. Okay, so on more videos on this answers to question papers and explaining these question papers, it is available in our YouTube channel in Srinivasa Academy as well. So please do watch it as well. Thank you.